Today I'm going to show you how to make chicken wings inside of an air fryer. Absolute goodness if you ask me. So right here I have Miss Dash right here. Oh, they don't call it Miss Dash anymore. They just call it Dash. Well, anyway, this is Dash Southwest seasoning. No salt in there. And I added the Dash inside of there. And then I'm going to take Dash lemon pepper and put some of the lemon pepper on top of the chicken wings, just like that. So, and then I'm going to take some olive oil. Now I have olive oil, and I'm going to pour some olive oil in there. Now it's important that you pour olive oil in there because it helps the seasonization permeate the chicken. Absolute goodness if you ask me. And once I put all the seasonization and the olive oil inside of the bowl, I'm just going to simply stir the chicken just like this. Do you see I'm stirring the chicken just like this? And getting all of the seasonization permeated into the chicken wings. Now, when you're doing this, you want to stir slowly but surely because you want all of the seasonization to coat the chicken wings. Now, after you've done that, you're going to take the chicken wings and let them marinate inside of the refrigerator for about 6 hours to overnight. And then when they're done, you pull them out, the chicken wings, and they should be seasonization and permeated. And you're going to place the chicken wings onto the rack of the air fryer. You see that right there? I'm putting it on the rack of the air fryer. And it is important that you leave space between the chicken wings so the hot air that's circulating inside of the air fryer can permeate and heat the chicken up till it's cooked thoroughly. Now, after you've done this, you're going to have to preheat your air fryer. So a lot of air fryers have a preheat function, but if they don't, make sure you preheat your air fryer, and then you're going to set it to 400 degrees and put it in there for about 20 minutes. Now, air fryers are different, so to play it safe, I put it in for 380 and for 20 minutes and then do it. And then about, 3/4 of the way through, you're going to take the chicken wings and you're going to pull them out. And then you're going to flip them like this. Now, this allows them to cook thoroughly and all the way through, and it will give a nice crispation around the chicken wing. Absolute goodness, if you ask me. So once you've done that, you're going to flip them all. Make sure that they all have been flipped because you want them cooked evenly. And a lot of these air fryers will actually tell you when to turn it, but if they don't, make sure it's like 3/4 of the way through the cooking time and then flip them. And then you put them back in, and look at that. Look at the chicken wings right there. After you put them back in, they toasted to perfection. Now, if you want them to toast even more, if you want them crispy a little bit on the outside, all right, change your timing to about 4 to 5 minutes to 6 to 7 minutes, and then change the temperature to 400 degrees. Wheezy. And then, look at that. After the time is up, look at the crispy chicken wings. Flavoration, full of flavor. My mouth is getting watering just thinking about them. But the only thing I can say about this is absolute goodness, if you ask me. Absolute goodness.